to the furnace company here at InternetCon Japan. I'm joined by Masafumi Maruyami, who's the sales director. Welcome, Masafumi.
Hello.
So we have a new system here for solder mask and etching. This is traditionally done by a wet process system. You're using a dry film system. Can you explain how it works and what the benefits are?
Okay. Our main topic is the length of curing. This system is very short, very small machine.
Okay. So it has a smaller footprint, you mean, yes?
The topic is the processing time is very short. Normally, conventional style hot air.
3 minutes usually.
Yes. This for using this machine, it takes about quarter. So very short and very fast. Not using IR, only hot air.
So by using this system, it's not only a smaller footprint, but it's very much faster. It does it in quarter of the time, so you can get about 4 times the throughput in the machine.
Yes.
Okay. How does it compare in terms of cost to the normal systems?
Cost?
Yeah.
Less expensive.
Less expensive. So it's a more economic. So because obviously, if you were to decide to use this, you have to invest in new tooling here, new equipment. You're saying this is a less expensive system than using traditional wet etch?
Yes.
Okay. Are you selling these systems outside of Japan?
Yes. Also, the overseas and domestic, we sell this machine. 4 years ago, we start to sell this machine, and until now, we sold around 15 sets of this machine.
Okay, so it's proven, the technology is proven and working in the field.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so according to your notes, it has a much lower power consumption, about 1/3 less. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So that's obviously a benefit as well. And the price of the consumables, the consumables being the film material and the wet etch,
Yes.
it's less expensive than the traditional solder mask.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So, do you have outside of Japan? Do you have distributors and agents in United States and Europe?
In Europe, now we have no agent. Only China and Korea and Taiwan, East Asia.
So this machine really, so far, is available in Asia. But would you be interested to look for people to promote it, of course, in US and Europe?
Okay, we think and try.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for taking some time to show it to us today, and we wish you every success in the future. Thank you.